Hi, everyone. Today we'll talk about our daily life, simple things, little routines, and fun moments.
Hey, before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss our daily English conversations.
Ryan, what time do you usually wake up?
Usually at 7 a.m. I try to be early, but sometimes I oversleep. And you?
I wake up around 6:30 a.m. I like a little quiet time before the day starts.
Oh, that's nice. Do you have breakfast at home or outside?
At home, usually, coffee, toast, sometimes eggs. And you?
Coffee first, always. Then maybe cereal or a sandwich. Breakfast is important, right?
Absolutely. So, do you go to work or school after that?
Work, most days. I take the subway. It's crowded, but I read a bit there.
Reading in the subway, that's productive. I usually scroll on my phone.
That works too. What do you usually do at work or school?
I answer emails, join meetings, small tasks, really. Sometimes it's boring, sometimes busy.
Sounds familiar. I have meetings too, and lots of emails, but I try to take small breaks to stay calm.
Breaks are important. Do you go outside during breaks?
Yes, a short walk sometimes. Fresh air helps. And you?
Sometimes I step out. Other times I just make tea and enjoy a few minutes quietly. After work, what do you usually do?
I usually go home, cook something small, maybe watch TV, or call friends. And you?
I like walking, sometimes a small shop near my house, or reading a book at home.
Reading. I should do that more. What kind of books do you like?
Fiction, adventure, sometimes romance. How about you?
Mostly mystery or fantasy, but sometimes I read comics too.
Comics are fun. Do you watch series or movies after that?
Both. Depends on my mood. Sometimes I watch alone, sometimes with friends.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, sometimes. I cook simple dishes, pasta, sandwiches, eggs. I'm not a chef, but I enjoy it.
Same. I cook small meals, sometimes try new recipes. It's relaxing.
Exactly. Cooking is like a small therapy. Do you listen to music while cooking?
Yes, it makes it fun. Pop songs or soft music.
I prefer soft jazz sometimes. It's calming after a busy day.
After dinner, do you usually relax at home?
Yes, I watch TV or read. Sometimes I go out for a short walk. And you?
I like reading or planning the next day. Sometimes I watch short videos online.
Oh, me too. YouTube helps me learn English too, and relax at the same time.
Exactly. Do you go to bed early?
Usually around 11 p.m., sometimes later if I watch a good series. You?
Around 10:30 p.m. I like waking up early. It makes me feel productive. Do you exercise during the day?
Yes, 3 times a week. Simple stretches or jogging. And you?
I do yoga in the morning. It helps me feel calm and focused.
Nice. I should try yoga. It sounds peaceful.
Ryan, do you have hobbies?
Yes, reading, drawing, sometimes video games. And you?
Reading, walking, listening to podcasts, and sometimes baking.
Baking sounds fun. I tried cookies once. They were interesting.
Interesting. Did they taste good?
Somewhat. Better than burnt bread, maybe.
That's something. Emma, before bed, do you check your phone?
Sometimes, mostly messages from friends or reminders. And you?
Yes, small check. Then I try to read or just relax.
Good habit. Do you like thinking about the next day before sleeping?
Yes, small plans. Nothing big, just small goals.
Me too. It feels organized and peaceful.
Emma, what's your favorite part of a normal day?
The evening. After work, when everything slows down, I can relax, talk to friends, or just enjoy silence. And you?
Evening, too. Quiet walks, small tea, or reading. That makes me happy.
Nice. I like sharing this little part of life with you too.
Emma, thanks for talking about daily life with me today. It feels peaceful and happy.
And thank you, Emma. It's nice to share these small things. And hey, before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe so we can share more daily English conversations.